How to merge videos in VLC Media Player. Hey guys, and welcome back to Delve Stack. Today I'm going to show you how to merge multiple video clips into one file using VLC Media Player. Even though VLC doesn't have a true merge button in the GUI, we can use the Convert Save feature to prepare videos and create a merged file using a simple trick. So let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player, click Media and Convert Save. This is where we'll start preparing your videos for merging. In the Convert Save window, click Add, select the first video you want to merge, and repeat to add the second video and more if needed. Now your videos are loaded and ready for conversion. Click the Convert and Save button at the bottom. In the Convert window, choose MP4 as the output format, add converted to the file name so you know it's different from the original. Click Start. Videos must have the same codec, resolution, and frame rate, otherwise VLC cannot merge them properly. Then you could open Notepad, paste the merge command text, you can copy it from the video description. Then you gotta go to Start, type in VLC, right-click on VLC, click on Open File Location, and here you're going to right click VLC Media Player, go into Properties and copy the file location. Replace VLC in Notepad with this full file location. In the Notepad command, replace the first placeholder with the first converted video file name. Replace the second placeholder with the second converted video file name. Replace the output file name with the final name you want for the merged video. Now the command is ready to run. Go to folder where your videos are stored, click the address bar, type CMD and press enter. Then you're gonna go to your Notepad back and copy this text from here. You're gonna paste the copied text onto your terminal and press enter. Wait for VLC to process the files. If everything is done correctly, you'll get a single merged video in your chosen location. You need to keep few things in mind. Videos must have the same codec, resolution, and frame rate. VLC cannot append incompatible files. This is a workaround using Convert, Save, and Command trick. For more flexible merging, use editors like Shotcut, OpenShot, or DaVinci Resolve. And that's it. That's how you merge multiple videos into one using VLC Media Player. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more accurate VLC tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.